have an empties of 3 months, not just one, because I haven't been doing them. And you guys love these, and I've been collecting a lot of trash, so I really need to get this out of my apartment. Let's go ahead and jump straight into skincare. I went through a ton of it, more than I've ever gone through, but I also don't think I've done 3 months in a row before. The first thing I went through is Biore. It's called the Free Your Pores Deep Cleansing Pore Strips in a really cute tie-dye print. And this has gunk on it. That's cute, real cute. Love these. They're not great for your skin. I've seen that so many different times along the internet and like the beauty community. But I have really gross like nose pores. I get a lot of blackheads, and this is just so satisfying, ripping off of my skin and seeing all of the like, it looks like a strawberry. I love these. So I'll keep getting them. I actually already have another box in my bathroom right now. The next thing is by St. Ives. This is the Blackhead Clearing Green Tea Scrub. It's exfoliating, but not like super exfoliating. It's pretty gentle if I had to peg it, but it's 100% natural. I liked it. I feel like it helped my skin. I always just did it right before I got out of the shower, and I would repurchase this, that's for sure. And I don't think it was very expensive either. It's supposed to help your acne. My skin has been thriving this past month, and I haven't worn makeup in a while, so the fact that I have makeup on now just means I'll probably have a really nasty breakup tomorrow morning, but we'll see. Love my skin. I'm happy where it is right now. I think the pool actually helps it because our apartment has a pool, and chlorine has always been just something that helps my skin a lot. I went through, I didn't mean to pull this, but let's do this. This is a Wallflower. It's from Bath & Body Works, and it's in the scent. I think this is cinnamon apple. It's an apple scent, that's for sure, and it was from the fall, so I'm gonna assume it's cinnamon apple. Oh, it smells so good. Love it. I'm so excited. Fall scents come out, I think, if they're not out already in the next couple weeks, cannot wait. I think I have 1 or 2 candles left to burn, which means I get to go ham on some fall candles. And by ham, maybe like 4, but I'm so excited. I missed this in my annual sale. I do not know how I did that. Next skincare is by Peter Thomas Roth. I really like this skincare line. I have a lot of their stuff. I actually only have 1 thing left, and it's going to be in my next empties, so I need to repurchase. Sometimes you can find this at TJ Maxx for real cheap, but this is the Intensive Anti-Aging Eye Cream. It worked really well. My eyes always felt super hydrated. It was a little bit thicker, but it didn't feel thick on my skin, and it looked nice underneath of makeup, so I enjoyed it, and I just used the entire thing up. So will I repurchase this one? Probably not, just because I'm leaning more towards like bottled eye creams rather than in the tube, not the tube, in the can, because it gets bacteria stuck in it, and I'm done with that. This is like a holy grail. I loved this so much. This is by Glow Recipe. It's the Pineapple C Bright Serum. This helped my skin so extremely much. It just like smoothed it out. I was getting a lot of compliments when I was wearing this with like how nice my skin looked compared to how it normally does. And it smells like pineapple. It smells delicious. It's like an all natural type. I know Glow Recipe has a lot of, it's natural, but then there's not like any nasty chemicals in it. Whatever I'm trying to say is I will repurchase this again. Absolutely. Like, I'm actually upset I'm out of it. I can still smell it. It smells like baby food, which I enjoy. It's like a pineapple baby food. And then hair. Why didn't I already go through hair? I am not doing this very organized. This is by Kendras, the Daily Provision. I love this stuff so much. It makes my hair look really like smooth and silky, and it smells really clean. My hairdresser used this on me, and every time she cuts my hair, she'll like spray it in and then cut it, and it just smells amazing. And I will buy this again. It's not that expensive. I think this is only like $16, which is pretty cheap for like a high-end type product. So I highly suggest you get that. And then the last skincare item is by The Ordinary, and this is the salicylic acid 2% solution for blemish-prone skin, and it was probably only $6. I use this at night, and I use the pineapple thing in the morning, and that combination just worked really well, and I need to buy this again. But their stuff's always sold out on Sephora just because it is so cheap. But if you are in the market for a new type of like skincare routine, is that what I'm looking for? Buy those two. I didn't use moisturizer with it. I have oily skin though, so I can kind of get away with that. And then Hair Time. This is by Matrix Biolage, and I have the Volume Bloom shampoo and then the conditioner, and I'm very acne prone. Like, hair products break me out all the time, and this did not, which I enjoyed. Thank you and thank you, but I will not repurchase because, as you guys know, my all-time favorite hair care product is by L'Oreal, and it's cheap, and it does not break me out ever, and I appreciate you. And when I'm at the gym, it just smells so good, and my hair is all sweaty. It's just one of those gross things that gives me joy, but it's the Extraordinary Clay Rebalancing Shampoo. I did not go through a conditioner somehow in the last 3 months. How did that happen? Probably because I've been using blonde shampoo every once in a while, and then I have another deep conditioner I was going through. I don't know. Maybe I lost this somewhere, but I love this. You should buy that. I actually just today picked up another couple of them. And then the skincare. I went through a Sweater Weather and then a Warm Vanilla Sugar moisturizing cream. I was self-tanning for a while, and I will go back to it, but right now, because I've been at the pool using sunscreen, I've been a little tanner, so I'm like, it's fine. I don't really want to bother with it. But when I was self-tanning a lot, just like a couple months ago, I was just going through so much lotion. And then I don't even want to go through all of these. I have so many soaps. We'll do this real fast. Cinnamon Sugar Donut, Black Cherry Merlot, Black Cherry Merlot, exfoliating, Sunshine and Lemons, Cucumber and Lily. That was an interesting scent. I liked that. I liked all of those. And then, a random Dove one, because I had ran out. Actually, I hadn't. I just forgot where I put the bag of soaps, and I had to go get that at Target. But it was the same price, if not more, than what I would have purchased one at Bath & Body Works, so I felt like that was not a deal. And the last soap is Rose Water and Ivy. Such a fresh scent. Love me some Bath & Body Works soaps. I think I'm actually almost out this time, so I will have to go back. But again, fall's coming. The Blueberry Crumble soap I'm going through right now smells so good. I don't know if you can still get that. Probably not, but that was really great. Dove Sensitive Skin. This is my all-time favorite body wash. Does not break me out. It is for sensitive skin, hence my skin. And I love that it comes in a big tube with a pump. That makes me happy, and for any of you that are lazy and just don't like taking caps off, that will make you happy too. I think that's it for skincare. The next thing is a chapstick. Of course I went through that. A deodorant. Advanced Care Invisible Sheer Cool. I think I'm going through the same one, if not the cucumber one. I just do Dove right now. That's where it is. I did that, the Lululemon one. If you guys saw that, they started the Lululemon self-care line, and they had a deodorant. I've been trying it, and I hate it. It burns so bad on my skin, so I've officially retired it. I will not try it anymore. It's just, makeup cleanser. This is by Sephora Detox Deep Cleansing Brush Shampoo. Works really well. Highly suggest that. I would repurchase it, but right now I'm going through an Eco Tools one. This is for your lady bits. This is Summer Eve Aloe Love Cleansing Wash. I try all the different ones. That one was fine. The lavender one burned me, so I personally would not get that, but apparently I'm sensitive down there, although lavender is, I think, supposed to be calming, so I don't know how that works. And 3 more things. 2 candles. Hot Fudge Sundae, just smelled like chocolate, and then almond. Almond's like one of my favorite scents now at the moment. Of course, I have my fall and winter favorite scents, but like this is like a good year-round staple. And I'm currently going through like Angel Food Cake or something like that. Mom got me a few for, I think, my birthday in March. So I'm still going through those. Fitness-wise, I have a BCAA Amino Watermelon Sorbet by Woman's Best. I have not tried a Woman's Best BCAA that I have not liked, and I've tried quite a few different flavors. Really, really like all of them, so highly suggest it. Currently going through a Lux Fitness one that I love, and it's a little bit bigger in size, so I feel like it's gonna last me a little longer. Okay, oh, lastly, this is an Empties, but I always show you some PR. I don't get a lot of PR, so I can usually just fit these in the Empties, and this is the only one I have for the past 3 months. This is by Pixi. Love them. They are really, really, really generous with their PR, and as you can see, I've been going through a ton of skincare, so I needed this. This is their vitamin C line, daily dose of skin brightening, and there's 5 skin treats, as they call it in here. The first thing is this vitamin C juice cleanser. I actually haven't even looked through this. There's probiotics in here to protect your skin. What? Huh. So you don't need to rinse this. You can just like wipe it on, kind of like how I use their toners. I use their rose toner, but you can use the same. And I think because of the pineapple, that was like a vitamin C serum, I might have to try this before I repurchase the Glow recipe, just to see if that works the same. The next thing is vitamin C lotion. So this is a brightening moisturizer, and you use it on clean skin day and night. And then a vitamin C caviar balm, and this is supposed to be a mask. What? Massage onto your face, allowing encapsulated vitamins to melt into the skin. Let absorb. Do you wash it off though? It's a balm. Nope, it's a leave-on mask. Says it on the front. Okay, that's good. This will be good for winter time too, when I am a little on the dry side in areas. Vitamin C tonic. So that's odd. They have a tonic and a cleanser, but you use them in the same. But the cleanser you use first, but you leave it on. That doesn't make sense to my skincare routine. Oh, and this is a vitamin C serum. Okay, that's great. So I'm gonna use this for sure. I'm actually going through right now their rose serum, which has actually been making my face real nice. It's been a nice treat since I've been out of my Glow recipe, and I'll probably go through that before I start this. I wonder what this smells like though. Please be like sweet. I can't smell. It does. It smells citrusy. Okay, great. I'll have to let you guys know how this stuff works out, because obviously this is just a first impressions, and I can't be like, this is the best stuff ever, or this like made my skin break out or teared me to pieces. So I'll let you guys know. Anyways, that was everything. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you guys soon. I will never let this Empties get this like built up again, because I've just been running out of room. Anyways, love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you like next week.